In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign people to tasks in Clickup, a vital skill for keeping your projects organized and your team efficient. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll need to navigate to Clickup's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address bar clickup.com. Clickup is an all-in-one app designed to help teams manage their work with integrated process and productivity functions. Once the site loads, you'll see the prompt to log in, typically found at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this login button to proceed. For those of you who already have a Clickup account, this is where you start your journey. Next, you might be presented with different sign-in options. Here, we'll use the option to sign in with Google. So go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. This is a convenient choice for many users since it allows smooth integration with other Google services you may be using, streamlining your login processes. Once you click on the option, you'll be directed to choose your Google account if you have more than one. Select the account you wish to use. Remember, it's always a good idea to use an account tied to your professional email for work-related tasks to maintain clarity and organization. Now that you're logged into ClickUp, you're ready to assign tasks. Navigate to the task in question. You'll typically find tasks listed under a specific project or list, so make sure you're in the right section. Once there, look for the small person icon next to your task. This icon represents the ability to manage task assignments. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you can see a list of all your team members who are part of your ClickUp workspace. Select the person you want to assign the task to. This is a crucial step as assigning tasks ensures that everyone knows what they're responsible for and can focus on delivering quality work within the desired time frame. If you have a large team, you might have the option to search for the person by name, which can speed up the process significantly. And that's it, your task is now assigned to the chosen team member. Remember, assigning tasks in ClickUp doesn't just keep your team organized, it also enables tracking of task progress and accountability across projects. This can hugely benefit team collaboration and productivity. Plus, once tasks are assigned, your team members can receive notifications, keeping them informed and aligned with priorities. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to assign tasks in ClickUp. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering project management in ClickUp. Don't forget to explore ClickUp further for more features that can enhance your workflow. Happy task assigning!